Hey everyone, today we're at the F1 Hub in Las Vegas. They have full motion simulators you can book for free with an online reservation. Tomorrow's the last day before the Grand Prix prep. They'll reopen in the new year. Let's jump straight into my lap around the circuit.
Ensure a stress-free and incident-free racing experience.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna let it up, babe. Tonight, we're gonna let it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it up.
When the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. Oh, going in. Fall into oblivion. Fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, I'm going in. You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it start. tell you what I saw. When you break it up, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Like and subscribe for more travel hacks. See you soon.